Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see, I started out with my 90 long curved nails. I did cut them down. I'm just trying to get used to wearing short nails because that's all I can really wear starting the second week of January. I will be rotating again in clinical, and in healthcare, you really can't have on nails. So for the most part, I will be doing overlays on my own nails, and if I do wear long acrylic nails, they will be press-ons. But I just wanted to hop in here and let you guys see the transformation, and I wanted to talk about licensed nail tech versus unlicensed nail tech. But before I get into that, I just want to let you guys know everything that I'm using will be linked. So I did go in with some dehydrator. I am going in with bond and primer from Pro Nail Bar, and yeah, the acrylic that I will be using is from Valentino, and that is Blossom. The winner to the giveaway for the acrylic brush will be listed down below, and I do have another giveaway coming up. It's a pretty big giveaway, so you want to look out for that. I wanted to have it up before Christmas to show you guys what it is. Maybe I'll go live and do a video just showing you guys what's in the giveaway and what you need to do to be entered. So if you did enter to win the acrylic brush, look down below to see if you are the winner. So yeah, back to what I wanted to talk about today. So I'm in a Facebook group, and the topic came up about should unlicensed nail techs be able to charge the same amount of money as a licensed nail tech. I can't say that I really have a huge opinion on this because I once was an unlicensed nail tech, but I will say there are nail techs that are unlicensed that are a lot more, what's the word I want to use? A lot more skilled as far as technique in doing nails. That doesn't necessarily mean they are more skilled in, nail disease or, sanitation, but they are skilled in the actual hands-on part of adding enhancements to the nail. So I don't know. I was reading through the comments, and people were just like upset that unlicensed nail techs think that they can charge what a licensed nail tech charge. Now, here's my thing. I am a stickler in the sense of I got licensed to be a nail tech because I hold other professional healthcare license, and I was just scared like someone would sue me and it would mess up what I have going on as far as my career, my profession. So that's one of the reasons why I got licensed. My second reason I got licensed is me. If I do something, I see it all the way through. It's no way that I would, if I was just doing my own nails, then all right, yeah, I would care less about getting licensed. But the fact that I'm working on other people was important for me to get licensed. And then I like to think ahead. So when I'm heading for retirement, maybe I want to fall back and just do nails when I don't care too much about making a substantial amount of money, when I don't care about whether if I need health care or not. Then that was my reason. But I did notice that the licensed nail techs in the Facebook group, before I finish, I am going in with the Rosalind 20-piece set from Amazon. Y'all, these are bomb.com. I did go in to show you the glitter ones because I was such in awe of the glitter shades that they have in here. I will leave this link down below. I believe I do have a discount code with them. If I don't leave it across the screen here, it will be down where the link is. Don't forget to check them out. This is really, really affordable. I'm only going in with one shade here because I'm doing bling nails. But yeah, like I was saying, I did notice that the licensed nail techs in the Facebook group were like extremely catty towards unlicensed nail techs. Like, my opinion, everyone at some point started out unlicensed. And I'm really sympathetic, especially to other women. I don't mean to sound cheesy when I say that, but there could be an array of reasons why a nail tech is working as a nail tech unlicensed. School is expensive. 2,000, 3,000, 6,000 some people pay, is not easy money for everyone to come by. So who knows, that unlicensed nail tech may be working as an unlicensed nail tech while trying to pay her bills on top of trying to save money to eventually one day go to school. So I try not to judge from a harsh place. Now, if it's 20 years and you've been unlicensed for 20 years, then yes, sis, that's a problem. But if someone is like 2 years, 3 years into practicing and wanting to do nails and working on other people, I think there's still room for them to grow. In the meantime, just be smart about it. If you are doing it, then just work on your immediate family nails. I have even read inside the group that there are some licensed nail techs that are reporting nail techs on Instagram and reporting to their states, like video screening them doing nails, quote unquote, having a like shop at their house and sending it to the state. Like, that's a bit much, and that's a bit like bitter. Like, I don't understand stuff like that. But I wanted to talk about that, and I do want to hear what you guys think about that. I mean, I don't know. Here, in case anyone asks me, these are not Swarovski. These are just AB crystals. I have a ton of crystals, so I wanted to start using them. And I wanted to see what my nails personally would look like with bling on it. You guys know I love bling, but I don't know. The older I get, I really don't like things on my nails. Not to mention, I'm a mom, so I'm always cooking and doing something. The minute one thing get inside my nail, or if I do my daughter hair and a piece of hair of hers shed and it's in my nail, they all have to come off. Like, so I am not really into wearing designs, but you know, for content purposes, and I'm not doing anything at the moment. I did want to go in with some bling. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below as far as the licensed nail tech versus the unlicensed nail tech. What is your stand on it? Do you think unlicensed nail tech should charge what a licensed nail tech would charge? And I did get where the licensed nail techs were coming from, when some of them was like, okay, I paid to go to school, I paid for my license. I'm licensed in 2 states. I'm paying for continuing courses. So all of that is factoring into why I charge what I charge. Okay, I get it. I don't know. I don't know. I can't tell somebody that charge $50 for this. Let's use this as an example. The set I have on my nails is you would probably consider this like a short overlay if I didn't have the nail tips on. I want to let y'all know I only show one bling nail in here because it is extremely time consuming. I personally would charge $175 for these nails that I have on. Now, some people might be like, that's crazy. As an unlicensed nail tech, I think I might have charged like $150 because, again, it's time consuming. But let me know what you guys think. Here, I'm just going in with my diamond top coat from Pro Nail Bars on my website. Check it out if you haven't, and this is what they look like. Don't forget to like, most importantly, subscribe if you watch this video, and I will check you beautiful people out in my next video. Don't forget, my next video, I will have the big giveaway in it. Check down below to see if you won the Kolinsky brush from Dashboard Beauty. And yeah, bye.